Hello, I am gonna make a video how to teach your dad to play Fortnite. So let's get started. You see, Fortnite stuff, more Fortnite stuff. Yeah. So, the Fortnite basic controls are pretty easy. If you know how to play Minecraft, of course. W is to move forward. A is to move left. S is to move backwards, and D is to move right. And mostly you could just hold W and move your mouse around, and that will be like the normal way that people normally plays. And left click, if you have a gun, left click is to shoot, like this click, you know. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that click. Yep, that sound, if you could hear it. And but if you do it for the pickaxe, use the pickaxe to hit some stuff like materials, trees, solid stuff, but except the ground, because it won't give you any materials, of course. And yeah, the scroll, if you have more weapons, the scroll is to like change weapons, or you could just click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or something like those. And if you right click, it's aiming for guns, but pickaxe, it does nothing. Weapons and pickaxe. This is how the starter pickaxe looks like, and like, yeah. And everyone's mostly favorite weapon, the scar. I just put this picture there because legendary scar looks cool. And this is mostly everyone's most favorite weapon, the Scar L. It looks like that. And it only could come in two classes, which is gonna be in the next slide. This is the heavy shotgun. It's the most powerful shotgun in the game. And I'm gonna tell you about these two ranks. All weapons, even the pickaxe, has its own ranks, which is here, weapon ranks. Well, of course, gray is common. That's gray. It's common, you see. Green is uncommon. Blue is rare. It's like that because those are the only three that this guns have. Same goes for the pump shotgun. These both are shotgun. Purple is epic, and as you can see, Scar L's could come in purple, epic, aka epic, or gold, aka legendary. Those are the only two. It can't come in common, uncommon, or rare. Only purple and gold. Map of Fortnite. So this is one of the most important, because you could see where you can land. You click M for like PC, or some of my bone just like cracked. When you click M for PC or Mac, it'll come up this map, and like it'll show like an arrow going towards that way. So that means the bus, that'll be in the next slide, the bus of Fortnite will like be going like that way, so you could choose anywhere. And the most dangerous, the best place to get loot, and the most dangerous place is Tilted Towers, right there. And to land, you have to jump from the Fortnite bus, which you have to click space. And I think for like another season, Dusty Dovo is gonna be something bigger than Tilted Tower. So most people will probably going here. Well, that might be before or now. And this is a Fortnite bus. You just jump off the bus and land anywhere you want on like the map. and then you get loot and kill anyone, and you get materials so you could build around yourself to protect yourself when you're doing like a med kits or something. Game modes. There's a lot of game modes because at a certain time one game mode changes, and so it is very different. And the main ones that stays and never changes are solo, duos, and squad. Down here are the ones that changes every time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. I hope your dad learned how to play Fortnite, created by me, Tiger Lee's of course. And just something, I didn't add gliders because when you're jumping off, it'll already tell you glider, so it's pretty that simple. And hope you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!